For something special to cook this Valentine's Day, this red velvet roll cake is exactly what you need. Soft, moist, and so flavorful. My name is Annie, you're on Sweets and Treats channel, and let's get started. For sponge cake, we will need eggs, granulated sugar, vegetable oil, all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, red food coloring, and pinch of salt. All ingredients should be room temperature. In mixing bowl, beat eggs and sugar until fluffy. Add oil, red food coloring, and mix it together. In spare bowls, stir together flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt. Add it to the egg mixture and mix it well. Spread butter evenly into prepared pan. I'm using cake spatula to make sure the butter is level and reaches the corners. Bake it for 10 minutes at 170 degrees. Insert the toothpick into the middle of the cake to check if it's done. It should come away clean. Once the cake comes out of the oven, immediately invert it onto the baking paper. Peel off the baking paper, cover it with thin, wet kitchen towel, then starting with the narrow end, begin rolling the cake up with the towel. Do this slowly and gently. The cake will be warm as it just came out of the oven. Allow the cake to cool completely rolled up in the towel. Meanwhile, let's make cream cheese frosting. For that we will need cold cream cheese, cold heavy cream and icing sugar. Make sure your cream cheese and heavy cream spent in the fridge at least 4 to 5 hours before using. For better result, you can also put whisker attachment from the mixer into the freezer for 20 to 30 minutes before making a cream. Just put all the ingredients in mixing bowl, beat on medium-high speed until combined and creamy. Take a little bit of the cream, add a few drops of red food coloring and mix it well. We will use it to draw red hearts on our roll cake. Divide the remaining frosting into 2 equal parts. One part will be used to frost the roll cake inside, another part will be used to frost our roll cake outside. Gently and slowly unroll the cake. Flatten it out and spread frosting evenly on top. Gently and slowly roll the cake back up without a towel this time. Make sure you're rolling it tightly. Cover the roll cake with baking paper and press it a bit to form the cake. Cover the roll cake with the remaining cream cheese frosting. And this is how we're making hearts decorations all over the roll cake. Don't forget to share this roll cake with your Valentine or just enjoy it yourself.